Hey everybody, what's up? Today I got a super easy, in fact, it's so easy, I'm halfway done this recipe for my express basil roasted potatoes. Crazy good, really fast, ready in about half an hour, exactly, roast potatoes in half an hour, and they are crazy delicious. So, I'll tell you what I did because I had a little bit of a technical issue in terms of the prep of this video, but I'll go through it with you step by step. The express part of this video is I've pre-boiled my potatoes. About 13 to 14 minutes. You want them part cooked, but you don't want them completely mush. That is the first trick. The second trick to this is I've cut them up into roast potato size pieces, about 1-inch squares. And again, very simple. And the whole kicker or the flavor or the taste of this is basil. Now, you can go out and puree basil, garlic, and all that kind of stuff, or you can just do what I do and just use pesto. Pesto is one of my best friends in the kitchen. 60 million Italians can't be wrong, but here's the thing. It's not only Italian. Greeks use a lot of basil throughout their dishes and their cooking, and it tastes absolutely fantastic. Along with this, I add equal parts of strained Greek yogurt. So you've got 2 tablespoons of pesto, 2 tablespoons of strained Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of dried Greek oregano, and a 1/4 cup of Greek extra virgin olive oil. Also, what I've done here, in the mix, I've included about 1/3 cup of kefalograviera. Now, with all this, I will tell you, and again, I'm very, very sorry. I had a technical issue with the original video, but this recipe is so good, I just didn't want to waste it. I put this in over my potatoes in my roasting pan. I completely incorporated, mixed them all up, sprinkled a little more kefalograviera over the top. And now the express cooking method is I'm going to put these under the broiler for about 7 or 8 minutes or until they become golden brown. GBD, baby. All right, so my parats are ready. They took about 6-7 minutes to become this golden brown and blistered deliciousness. It smells, the aroma in here is absolutely fantastic. I can't tell you. I'm getting the basil. I am getting the oregano. I'm getting the olive oil. I am certainly getting the cheese. So literally, I got done in less than half an hour. So I'm just gonna grab a fork here and just test these out. Look at this. Oh, they're crispy. Okay, this is gonna be like hot as sin. They're crispy on the outside. They're light and fluffy and just full of flavor on the inside. And in like 1/3 of the time. Who does not love this? My friends, I not only invite you, I challenge you to try this recipe. It is so delicious, so quick and easy. It is unbelievable. So that's it for this episode on my express basil roasted potatoes. I have to apologize again. I'm sorry that I had to walk you through or talk you through the first part of this. Frankly, I forgot to hit the record button. So please try and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And for this recipe and many of my other recipes, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Much love from beautiful Greece and keep cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.